Hey everyone. First off, I want to say I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving and enjoyed the time with your family. We're going to continue here in math with multiplying fractions, but remember how I told you last week there was a little bit of a shortcut that will help you with simplifying. And it's called multiplying fractions with cross canceling. So you can always, I'm going to show you down here below these problems for now. You can cancel, let's say you had 3/4 times 4/6. Okay, you can cancel either up and down by reducing or like this. Okay, it has to be a top number, a numerator, and a denominator. Okay, you cannot cross cancel by canceling like here. You can't cancel two denominators and make this a 2 and a 3. Okay, it has to be a numerator and a denominator. So I'll show you what I mean by these problems. Okay, the first one we have here is 4/5 times 3/4. Now, when you look at this, nothing can reduce, but if you look at it diagonally, do any of these numbers have anything in common? You can see that they both have a 4, right? So you can take 4 out of both of them by cross canceling. This 4 becomes a 1, and this 4 becomes a 1. And then when you multiply it out, you get 3/5. And that's the same as if you would have done it the regular way, 4/5 times 3/4. You would have ended up with 12/20, and then you would have had to reduce by 4, which would have given you your 3/5. You see how it makes it shorter to reduce it before you actually solve the problem? Okay, let's look over at our next one. We have 9/10 and 2/3. Now let's look diagonally up and down and see if we have anything that can cancel. The first one I see is the 3 and the 9. I know that 3 goes into 3 one time and 3 goes into 9 3 times. Now, I also know that both 2 and 10 are even numbers. So you can divide them both by 2. 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. 2 divided by 10 gives you 5. And then when you multiply, you get 3/5. Same answer as this one. Okay, let's do a couple more. We have 6/7 times 21/3. Well, 21 and 7, I know 7 goes into 21 3 times, and 7 goes into 7 once. So we can automatically cancel those off. Okay, now look here, we have 3/3. That cancels to 1/1. So we would end up with 6/1, or when you reduce it, just 6. Over here, we have 3/8 times 4/5. Does 3 and 8 have anything in common? No. Does 3 and 5 have anything in common? No. But 4 and 8 do, right? 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 twice. Now you can multiply, and you end up with 3/10. Okay, and the last one, we have 11/12 times 3/22. 11 goes in once, goes into 22 twice, and now 3 and 12, 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 12 one times. 1, 8. Okay, that helps.